Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create Shopify account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your browser and type here Shopify and open shopify.com. And to start 14-day free trial, enter your email address here, or if you have any account then you can log in into your account by clicking here. So I'm going to entering my email address here and clicking on 14-day free trial and enter a password here and click on create your store. And now are you already selling? Click the drop down and select any option. And now add your address here so you can get paid. So enter your full address here and click on enter my store. And here you can see I've successfully created my store, and now we can upgrade our plan by clicking here. And this is how we can create account on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.